Okay, let's create a fog effects with giving a material to our object. For example, this is our scene. You can see this is our scene, and I assign a sphere and make it bigger, like a dome around these objects going inside. For example, going inside this object. Or make it bigger. Now you can see we are inside. Oops. Click that. We are inside our sphere. And I want to assign a material to that. Make sure that you are in a standard. You're in a standard. Double click. And now I want to explain after environment the fog channel. If you activate the fog channel, you can see it create a transparent object, but it's not working like this. You have to assign this fog, for example, this material to a sphere. If you give it to the sphere and playing with the brightness and the distance, you can see the fog system. Using interactive render, and now you can see the fog. And here you can change the color. And for seeing the object, you have to increase the number of the distance, for example, 5 times bigger. And now you can see your object. And we have a fog. This is a distance from camera to, for example, here. That's very systematic and easy. So playing with that, for example, make it 4 and the fog are closing to our camera. And from here you can change the brightness of that, more dark or more bright, or any color that you want. Interesting. So it has a simple setting. So we assign the material to the sphere. Our object are inside the sphere. We have a big sphere, and you can see the fog when you render. Be careful, you cannot see it in a viewport, so you have to render it. That's it. This is the fog channel. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.